wabantu ababekhona embhikishweni ka-1976 uthi okwenzeka kwakuyinto eyayikade ihleliwe.
June 16 was not one night a decision, and it was students had planned the day. And let me again reinforce this. There was no politician, big name involved. It was young people.
Kulo mbhikisho abafundi babehamba becula amaculo anxusa inkululeko.
The students were asked to write things like "Away with Afrikaans," "Away with Bantu education," and also others included the things that were of challenges to them at that particular time.
Umama uFikile Ngcobo owayenguthisha ngaleso sikhathi uncoma abesifazane ababhacisa abafundi ngesikhathi sebejahwa ngamaphoyisa.
The youngsters ran into the yards and there was no woman, no mother, nobody who said, "Don't run into my yard because I'm afraid the police will come and raid me on that." They just went into the yards and went to the yard, into the houses.
Nakuba kwaqopheka umlando kodwa kukhona ukusisola nokufisa engabe kwenzeka ngenye indlela.
I'm still in pain. I am still trying to live with it. If there's one regret of that day, of June 16, that sits with me all the time, is that I led black children and leading them right into a bullet.
Kuze kube imanje uMbuyisa Makhubo owabonakala ethwele uHector Peterson ngosuku lombhikisho akaziwa njengoba emva kwalombhikisho yena nabanye babaleka kuleli. Kanti ke kubikwa ukuthi washona njengoba babehamba emathunjini omhlaba.